lamang. Ito ang balitang dapat malaman ng taong bayan na pilit tinatago at pilit ayaw di umanong ipalabas ng mga bayarang media sa palasyo, kamara at senado sa publiko.
By what happened to our colleague, Senator Bato de la Rosa, while he was entering this August chamber.
Senator Bato.
And when he entered
Grabe
this
takbo
August
niya,
chamber, according to him, he was wrestled by some members of the National Bureau of Investigation.
Well, I have reservations, Mr. President.
Oh, Senator Soto.
It has never been done in the Senate. We have not suspended the rules while in plenary just to talk to the Sergeant at Arms. We can do it after the adjournment. Why don't we do it the usual way, which is let's adjourn and then conduct a hearing of the Senate and ask the Sergeant at Arms.
Dapat lahat ng mga humarang at ng braso diyan kay Senator Bato de la Rosa magpumigil sa kanya na pumasok sa session ng Senado. Lahat 'yun kasuhan ninyo, patawan ninyo ng parusa. So yun o mga insan, Reaction Insan po muling nagbabalik. At syempre, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe dito sa ating channel, subscribe na, libre lang naman po yan mga insan, walang bayad yan. Kaya subscribe na po kayo. Oh, diba? O eto mga insan, maganda to pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw na ito. Dahil yung Senado, bistado na. At ang itinuturong mastermind, si Senator Soto. Tinuro yan ng mga ilang congressman, senator. Katulad ni na Jinggoy Estrada, Senator Marcoleta, yung magkapatid na Pia at Alan Cayetano. So, ang video na gagawa natin ng reaction mga insan galing po to sa sa Pinas Insider. Ito ay isa sa mga magaling na content creator, vlogger o ano man tawag sa kanya na taga-balita sa social media. So, dati nung hindi pa ako nagba-vlog, pinapanood ko po ito mga insan. Nung hindi pa ako gumagawa ng reaction. So, eto, dito gawa tayo ng reaction. At syempre, dun din sa ibang channel na ginagawa natin na reaction kay Robin Sweet. Isa din yan po sa mga idol natin. Marami tayong idol dito. Pero ang nag-impluwensya talaga sa akin para mag-vlog si Idol Pips TV. Idol Pips TV, maraming salamat po sa inspirasyon. So ito, panoorin natin itong mga insan at gawa na natin ng reaction video. Pero sayang talaga mga insan idol ko talaga to. Idol ko to dati si Senator Soto. Lalo na TBJ. At meron ako isang channel na sa yung showbiz side naman. At doon talaga naging depender ako ng TBJ, lalo na nung inagawan sila ng Itbulaga. Talagang pinagtatanggol ko sila ron, gumagawa rin ako ng reaction video. Nilabang ko talaga sila ng nilaban doon. 'Di ba? Kahit na medyo na nga ako noon puyat, pagod galing sa trabaho, gumagawa pa rin talaga ako ng content pag may nakikita akong inaano sila, yung inaalipuste, gano'n, parang mga ganyan mga insan, binabanatan sila. So, dinedepend natin sila. So, nagdismaya lang ako kay Tito Soto kasi parang tingin ko sa kanya anti-corruption siya. Pero sa ginagawa niya na masyado siyang tahimik doon sa issue ng flood control, sa trilyon-trilyong pondo na nawawala. Parang wala talaga. Parang kahit anong mangyari, hindi ko na talaga siya magkakatiwala. Hindi ko na siya iboboto. Mga insan. So ito, panoorin natin. Hindi naman ako kawalan sa kanya. Diba? Nag-iisa lang naman ako, pero marami akong kamag-anak. Marami rin nanonood sa atin, di ba? Lalo sa kabilang channel natin. So, hindi ko alam kung makaka-apekto, pero tingnan na lang natin. So, panoorin natin at gawa natin ito na reaction, mga insan.
Ito ang balita ngayon. Trending at pinag-uusapan ngayon sa mundo ng social media. Ang Kiumanay Balita. Ito ang balitang dapat malaman ng taong bayan na pilit tinatago at pilit ayaw di umanong ipalabas ng mga bayarang media sa palasyo, kamara at senado sa publiko. Pero bago ang lahat, kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na ito at kung gusto mo ang mga balitang politika, ay please huwag kalimutang mag-like, subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para mas maging updated ka palagi
Subscribe
sa lahat
na.
pa ng mga bagong video na i-upload namin. At ito na nga mga kababayan.
As a duly elected senator of this republic, I am concerned and disturbed by what happened to our colleague, Senator Bato de la Rosa, while he was entering
Oo.
This,
nakakaawa
August
si,
chamber.
Senator Bato.
And when he entered
Grabe
this
takbo
August
niya,
chamber, according to him, he was wrestled by some members of the National Bureau of Investigation. How can we allow other people to wrestle or even not to let him or preventing him to enter this August chamber? Ano ang ginagawa ng Sergeant at Arms? Bakit nila pinapayagan ito na gawin ito sa isang senador?
Tama.
Isang halal na senador?
Tama.
Sila, tanong ng tanong bakit hindi pumapasok si Senator De La Rosa?
Ayan.
Ngayon at pumapasok,
Tinanong din.
pipigilan na pumasok.
Diba? Ba't nandito ka? Ba't hindi pumasok?
I am so concerned.
Idol,
Kahit
Senator Bato.
siguro
Idol, Jinggoy.
miyembro ng majority, minority, basta inabuso ng kahit sino man ng isang halal na senador, pagtatanggol ko rin.
Idol.
Ngayon, gusto ko lang po malaman kung bakit hinaharas ang pagpasok ni Senator De La Rosa dito sa kapulungan na ito. May I know the answer? Maybe we can suspend the rules and ask the Sergeant at Arms what really transpired when Senator De La Rosa was about to enter the Senate hall.
Mr. President, dear colleagues, I requested the Sergeant at Arms when we were on break before you elected this representation to review the footage of the CCTV. Has it been reviewed? Yeah. So since it has been reviewed, will you be ready to answer what happened? Factually lang. Yeah. Is there any objection to suspend the rules so that we can hear directly from the Sergeant at Arms? He's ready to give a report given that he saw the CCTV footage. Yeah. With the permission of the body, if there's no
Nawawa niya,
objection, there's no
Senator Bato
objection.
dyan. Grabe kayo.
Former Senate President. There was a motion, Mr. Former Senate President, after I inquired with the Sergeant of Arms, he has viewed the CCTV and has saw what happened. So he will just tell us and give us a report if there's no objection.
Well, I have reservations, Mr. President,
Oh,
because
Senator Soto.
it has never been done in the Senate. We have not suspended the rules while in plenary just to talk to the Sergeant at Arms. We can do it after the adjournment. Why don't we do it the usual way, which is let's adjourn and then conduct a hearing of the Senate and ask the Sergeant at Arms.
Well, two reasons, former Mr. President. Number one, it's also never been done that a senator being prevented to attend and being wrestled.
Tama.
Number two, in the past, we have suspended the rules and asked members of the executive. So actually, I don't think there are going to be interpolations of grilling or if ever it's through me. But I think it's a matter of the survival of the Senate because if we cannot even be assured that we can come to the sessional, I also want to ask the Sergeant of Arms, is it true that there are still agents of the NBI who are in fact still inside the Senate? And what is their business here? Being here. No?
Yes, that is
With
the.
your,
Parang
go ahead.
ano na kayo dyan,
I'm sorry, sir.
Tinulong na kayo dyan sa
No,
Senado.
Senator Bato was just raising his hand.
I was
I will-
about to say, I don't think it was the Sergeant at Arms who was preventing Senator De La Rosa. It was some elements from
Yes.
another agency, not the Sergeant
I
at
agree,
Arms.
Mr. President. That's why my statement is we will allow him to give a report based on the CCTV that he has examined as our, no. With your
Parang
permission, Senator Soto, can
nagtatakbang
we
ka,
recognize
Senator
Senator
Soto.
Bato?
Yeah, sure.
Before acting on your reservation.
Right.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. President. As of now, Mr. President, Antonio Trillanes and some NBI operatives are still at the library, Mr. President. May I move that the Sergeant at Arms remove these people from the vicinity of the Senate?
Mr. President, Dear colleagues, Senator Trillanes, as a former member of the Senate, is welcome in the Senate and will of course be given due courtesy unless he has
He is part of the harassment,
unless
Mr.
he is
President.
part of the harassment. So,
Tanggalin niyo na.
Hindi mo na-
Pagkala
Kaya
na
ko si
pagkakas
na
nito eh.
harangin ako dito.
so
Bakit natin hayaan siya nandito
yes,
siya?
with that clarification, is there any objection that we ask we will ask the NBI to
Object nyo na
except
agad.
for the
Yung
person
mga-
or people who
Kakampon.
assaulted you, because in my view, our legal should bring them for inquest because they were caught flagrante delicto assaulting a senator in our premises. Yung nag-assault to sa'yo, hindi dapat pakawalan. Dapat dalhin sa for inquest. No?
Tama yun. Yun nung pinaka nagustuhan ko rito ay Senator Alan Cayetano na bagong Senate President. Dapat lahat ng mga humarang at ng braso diyan kay Senator Bato de la Rosa magpumigil sa kanya na pumasok sa session ng Senado. Lahat 'yun kasuhan ninyo, patawan ninyo ng parusa dahil hindi na ginalang yung karapatan ni Senator Bato de la Rosa bilang senator na umattend ng session sa Senado, bagkus hinarang pa siya. 'Di ba? Na para ba siyang preso na hindi mo maintindihan kung hindi welcome ka ba doon sa pinagtatrabahuan mo, welcome ka ba sa Senado gayong ibinoto ka ng milyong-milyong tao maging senator, 'di ba? Tapos may mga buhaya lang dyan na haharang ng ganun, na walang respeto doon sa milyong-milyong taong bumoto kay Senator Bato de la Rosa. Hindi na nila ginalang yung mamamayan na pinili na gusto nilang magserbisyo para sa kanila si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Ang nakakalungkot niya, kaya nga hindi siya nakakapasok dyan dahil ayaw niya ng gulo. Ayaw niyang mangyari ulit yung nangyari kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte na sa pilitang kinalalagkad papunta doon sa Dahig, Netherlands. Ayaw niya na mangyari yung ganun dahil marami ang nagbitaw ng salita na kapag ginawa ulit nila yun kay Senator Bato de la Rosa naman, talagang haharang na sila, magiging human shield sila ni Senator Bato de la Rosa. Ayaw niya ng gulo, mga insan, kaya mas pinili niyang tumahimik na lang, nanatili siyang tahimik at hindi pumapasok para maiwasan yung ganun dahil alam niya naman na marami nagbabantay para sa kanya. 'Di ba? Na any moment nang sumulpot sa Senado, talagang kakadkalad ka rin siya. Nakita niyo naman, 'di ba? Pumasok siya, naglakas loob siya para mapalitan yung liderato, para naman kasi kung mananatili si Soto ang nakaupo dyan, panigurado, maluluto na naman yung impeachment ni VP Sara Duterte. Dahil siyempre alam naman natin kung kanino panig yan eh. Di ba? Hindi makakapaglabas ng maayos ng mga ebidensya o depensa si VP Sara Duterte doon sa mga planted evidence na ginagawa nila, yung paninira nila. Mga insan. So, sobrang bilib sa hakbang na ginawa ni Senator Trillanes para dito kay Senator Bato de la Rosa. At naniniwala naman ako, mga insan, na ang lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa niyong illegal ay may kaparusahan talaga yan. 'Di ba? Antay-antayin lang po natin yung balik ng sitwasyon. Pag nangyari yan, tayo naman po ang tatawa para sa kanila. So tuloy natin ito, mga insan.
Yung kung walang kilalaman na nandito at wala silang official business dito, may motion ng Senator Bato na paalisin sila sa Senate. Is there any objection?
Mr. President.
Mr. President, that is, I have no objection to the motion of Senator
Alam ko may
Rosa.
objection ka eh.
As a matter of fact, I will probably support this motion, but parliamentary rules dictate that we settle first the
Yes,
previous
yes,
motion.
yes,
There is a
yes.
pending motion eh. Kaya
Yes.
hindi pwede patungan ng lesser
Yes.
motion.
Thank you.
So
Thank you for the
let's
reminder.
resolve first the motion of Senator Ingo Estrada unless he wants to withdraw the motion.
Yes. With Senator Pia Cayetano, is it on the same topic or a different topic?
It's a continuation of the removal of the person, so I can wait until
Yes,
this
let's
motion is
act first
resolved.
on that. Senator Estrada, may I ask if you can withdraw because I think mas urgent na umalis na muna yung mga NBI. Then we can have a short huddle with the Sergeant at Arms whether we will ask him to report here officially.
Mr. President,
Yes.
if I may,
Yes.
sana bago sila paalisin, i-identify muna natin yung mga
Exactly.
nagharang sa akin, natin inquest natin.
Yes.
Patay lang natin ng kaso bago sila paalisin dito lahat. Dahil parang tayong king queen dito.
Yes.
Inassault na tayo dito sa ating local opisina.
Ang galing mo talaga,
Tapos
Senator
walang mangyari.
Bato. Galing mo
Alisin
talaga.
na natin.
Saludo. Galing
Gusto
nga.
nyo paalis
Tama.
din.
Yeah, let me clarify, Senator Bato. That's my point a while ago.
Tama.
Papaalisin
Galing nyo.
yung mga walang kilalaman sa pag-assault sa'yo. And
Correct.
that is not limited to those who threw punches or wrestled you. Meaning if
lalo
they
na
are
yung
in
sumapak
conspiracy
doon sa Sergeant
together
at Arms na
in
napuno ng
trying to
Senator Bato
prevent you
para
from
makapasok.
attending the
I am
session,
sure Trillanes is involved, Mr. President.
then
Andiyan siya eh. Kasama
then
sila.
my suggestion is to consult with the legal and to bring them for inquest. No?
Tama siya.
For that, I will follow
Sinabi
the
niyo nga, di
suggestions
ba,
of
na
Senator
siya
Soto. Can we
magpuposas,
first,
Senator Bato.
dispose
Tama
or
siya.
withdraw muna?
Mr. President, I
Ano,
withdraw.
nasa balita
my
naman
previous
eh.
motion.
Sinamin niya eh.
So since the motion is withdrawn, Senator Pia.
Yes, I think this is what the Senate President had in mind in any case. Let me just put on record, I think Senator Bato will also welcome this. Before removing anyone who is not involved, we have to determine who is involved and who is not involved. Obviously, I think that's quite obvious, but to be clear with the instructions of the Senate President, everybody here should be dealt with because they are here for a reason. We need to hear from them. They should give their testimony kung bakit sila nandito, sino ang nagpapunta sa kanila dito, ano ang instructions sa kanila,
Tama.
kahit tumayo lang sila dito. We want to know, why are they here?
Oo.
So just to be clear, I'm pretty
Para
sure that is what
malaman
the
talaga.
Senate President meant, but perhaps we can instruct our legal team very carefully
Sino
bago paalisin.
nag-utos?
Pati yung identification nila, yung official
Bakit sila
identification nila, baka may
nandiyan?
mag-missing
At
in
anong
action
dahilan?
dyan.
Bakit nandiyan
We just want to
sila?
be clear that everyone who even witnessed, even if they were just a witness, we
Grabe,
would
no?
want to have access to them, Mr. President. Thank you.
Let me clarify now. If the committees themselves can hold indirect or indirect contempt unruly guest, may they be witnesses, may they be our employees or whatsoever, basta non-members ng Senate, lalo na pwedeng mag-direct or indirect contempt dito sa Senado. But we are dealing with two separate things, whether what they did was contemptuous, and then secondly, whether there was a criminal offense committed within our premises in front of our faces that gives us the right for an arrest and ask the DOJ for an inquest. That is why I think the Sergeant at Arms took our instructions a while ago, not only to view the video, but to conduct an immediate investigation. Maybe we can have a 2-minute suspension and consult with the Sergeant of Arms kung nasaan na yung investigation nila. Before we ask anyone to leave the Senate. Kasi tama si Senator Bato at Senator Pia. Baka palisin natin ba? Pero baka naman sila yung dapat arestuhin. No? So
Tama,
we'll suspend for 1 minute. Upon conferring with the people who had the floor, the honorable senators and Senator Soto, I'm hereby directing the Sergeant at Arms to complete his investigation, to continue to talk to the NBI and to former Senator Trillanes and give us a written report within the next 30 to 45 minutes. For the information, the initial report of the Sergeant of Arms is that the NBI is claiming that they are here to arrest Senator Bato, but they do not have an arrest warrant. Okay, that is why it is critical that either the
Ano
Sergeant
ba
at
talagang
Arms
warrant,
or
warrant of arrest?
the report or a written report.
Yun naman yung
So, but
sipililing,
he will
bida-bida.
complete his report by talking to them now. Senator Jinggoy.
Mr. President, do you mean to tell me that the NBI were here to arrest Senator De La Rosa without the benefit of any warrant of arrest?
Yes. So far, I do not want to talk in a partial investigation, but so far there is no information that the NBI informed the Senate, which by tradition, no law enforcement agency has ever come to the Senate in secret
Nice one.
to affect an arrest. Usually they have an arrest warrant and they coordinate with the office of the Senate President, and the Senate President calls a caucus to get the details. No? But if there's no
Oo,
objection,
pero yun, wala
I
eh.
will recognize Senator Soto, but if there's no objection, I will just direct and allow the Sergeant of Arms to conduct the investigation. Is that okay?
Mr. President, May I suggest that we just follow your instructions and then go into a suspension so that because of some vital information that
Yes.
we're discussing, which might be detrimental to
Prejudicial.
the records of the Senate later
Yes.
on.
Yes. So that was the initial verbal report of the Sergeant at Arms. But let us wait for the official full-length report that we're giving him 20, 30, 40 minutes to finish. But please do that, General, so that we will know our actions. In the meantime, they are not allowed to leave the Senate. Senator Marcoleta.
Mr. President, what happened to Senator Bato this afternoon does not only concern him. Most importantly, this concerns the very institution where he belongs. It is not only
Gusto ko manalong Vice President to,
to an
Senator
incumbent and
Marcoleta,
sitting Senator of the Republic,
para siya magpapanagot dito
But this
sa
is
mga bulastog na mga walang taong ito, no? Na mga sumisira sa ating
this
bansa.
institution.
Sana unahin niyo si
Hindi
Tilly.
po simpleng bagay yun, Mr. President. Kahit na po sinasabi natin na wala namang complaint or charges against him, wala namang bakit sila mag-aaresto. That's another point, Mr. Speaker. Yun lamang po napigilan siya na
Pag
pumasok
gusto
siya
nilang mag-aresto, aresto
para
talaga.
gampanan ang tungkulin niya. They already violated at least Article 145 of the Revised Penal Code. Marami po ang implication nito, Mr. President. Kamakailan lang, kagaya po ng alam ninyo, naipasa po natin ang Senate Resolution number 44, which was adopted on March 17, 2026. Dito po sa resolution na ito, Mr. President, dahil ito'y kamakailan lang, alam po natin na ang sense po ng Senate ay na-express sa pamagitan ng mga sumusunod. Una, due process and rule of law
Oo.
must be upheld in any surrender or extradition. Kasi po, nangangamba tayo na isusunod na naman si Senator Bato sa ginawa nila sa dating Pangulo.
Tama. Sigurado yan.
Filipinos not formally charged or convicted have the right to due process and will be guaranteed reasonable time and opportunity to seek redress from the courts and avail of any legal remedies available to them before any transfer to foreign or international authorities. Ito pa po yung isa. Sa sense ng Resolution number 44, while not legally binding, the resolution reflects the Senate's position against extrajudicial rendition and may be invoked to resist any attempt to arrest or surrender a sitting senator without due process. Ito po yung in-adapt natin, Mr. President. And that is a relevant precedent. Halimbawa po, yung binanggit kanina, former Senator Trillanes, noong 2018, Mr. President, former Senator Antonio Trillanes avoided arrest by submitting to Senate custody after his amnesty was voided. Ang sabi pa nga po noon ni dating, the former President of the Senate, our friend, Vicente Soto III, maintained that no senator would be arrested within Senate premises to preserve the institution's dignity. Salita po ito ng ating colleague, Mr. President.
Ikaw naman pala, Tito Soto eh. Tapos ikaw din nagutos,
President
papatuloy
shows that
yung
the Senate
BI,
can
grabe ka
refuse to
talaga.
allow any arrest
Sabi
within
ah,
Senate premises even for a non-bailable offense, Mr. President. Senate Resolution number 44 strengthened this position. While not legally binding, it expresses the Senate's official stand on this matter.
tapos yung
Filipinos
lumabag
must be
sa batas
protected
na
from extrajudicial rendition.
inamend niya.
They must
Grabe
be given
ka.
reasonable time to seek legal remedies before any surrender or extradition. Due process must be strictly observed. This gives the Senate, Mr. President, a policy basis to resist any attempt to arrest or surrender Senator Bato to international authorities without due process. Even if offense is non-bailable, Senator Bato is still or should still be protected as long as he remains inside the Senate. Because, number one, Senate can assert custody over him as it did with Trillanes.
Oo.
Number two, Senate can refuse any entry to arresting officers. And number three, Resolution number 44 provides political and procedural justification to delay or prevent arrest or surrender to international authorities. Mr. President, the arrest cannot be executed inside the Senate, and the senator can seek judicial remedies while under Senate custody. Thank you, Mr. President.
Wow, man. Sa kay Soto pa nang
Your
galing yun,
manifestation
Michael.
is well taken and
Nung
noted.
binasa ni Senator
I will
Marcoleta,
restate that
di pwede arrestuin yung
any
senator dyan
government
sa loob ng
entity or
Senado.
any body,
Pero nakakapagtaka
even
mga yun,
judicial
ba't
and
nakapasok
quasi-judicial
yung NBI dyan?
legislative
Kasama pa si
bodies,
Pililing.
their
Pililing pwede kasi dati
existence,
siyang senator.
of
Pero
course, is always a
bakit
priority. When you
aarestuin
have
mo
a
sa
collegial
Senado?
body like the
Pinigilan
House
pang
or the
pumasok si
Senate,
Senator Bato. Grabe.
its members are given not only rights and responsibilities but also privileges. That's why there is also immunity against suit, because if you look at history, when the kings and queens in Europe allowed parliament to meet, they would kidnap or stop or arrest members of parliament from going to parliament if they think that parliament will be acting contrary to their wishes or interests. And that's primarily the reason why, although we opted for the presidential form of government, it is that the immunities is still found in our constitution. Having said that, there are also a list of criminal offenses, including preventing a legislative body from meeting. There are also a list of criminal offenses, for example, an assault on a person of authority. But it is really unprecedented for a senator to experience this within our premises. Having said that, I think it is prudent, as Senator Soto said, let us complete the investigation, get all the facts. But I do that in that manner, we'll be able to act accordingly. But it is not also prudent to just dismiss them and for them to leave. No, that's why I'm asking also the Secretariat and the Committee on Rules to start thinking about drafting a letter, if not a subpoena, to the NBI director, so that it will be on the record who sent these agents and what were their primary objectives, or under what authority were they acting and what was their mission. No? We will suspend and let's confer with each other, and then we will give the Sergeant of Arms a few minutes. I've also asked my head of Legis, Attorney Sara, to accompany them to find out what really was their objectives. Senator Marcoleta, do you wish that your speech your manifestation be referred to a certain committee?
Yes, Mr. President. But aside from that, I'd like to say that newspaper accounts has it that the CIDG issued a subpoena to Senator Bato on issues of extrajudicial killing. Mr. President, if that is the fact, then an impending case, a domestic case, is yet to be lodged against the senator. And therefore, with much reason, that the ICC cannot do anything because the case is already actively being pursued domestically. Meaning to say, it is within the ambit of our local jurisdiction. And considering that the ICC's core framework rests on the principle of complementarity, it is with much reason that the ICC has anything to do with this, because our domestic law has acquired jurisdiction already. Thank you, Mr. President.
That's correct, Senator Marcoleta. In fact, many members put on record when we passed that resolution that while the Philippine Constitutional is operational, the warrant of arrest has to be issued by a Philippine judge. It has to be from the judicial authority. So,
Mismo sa
if they
Pilipinas,
can show
sa
a
ibang
foreign
bansa.
warrant, it still should be presented before a
Kasi
Philippine
humihingi rin
judge.
naman
And
ng
the
justice
Philippine
system ng
judge
Pilipinas,
has to
eh.
still use the same parameters or requirements by the Philippine Constitution as to
Kaso,
personal
kung mga
knowledge,
utong na to,
as
di na
to
ginagalang,
the
Lalo
quality
na natililing.
of the
Talagang
evidence or
makadayuhan to eh.
the quantum
Kala
of
mo
evidence
naman,
needed
tanggapin sa
in order
dahil
to
ko, dun
justify a
tumira eh.
warrant of arrest. No? So we have two choices whether to refer to the Committee on Rules since it affects the privileges and the rights of every senator, or we can refer it to the Committee on Public Order. However, there is still no chairman yet unless the acting majority leader wants to nominate Senator Bato as the chairman of the Committee on Public Order. The chair will wait for a...
I don't see anyone objecting, Mr. President, so. With that, Mr. President, this representation would like to nominate the first chairperson of the new Senate Committee on Public Order, and that would be Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. So move, Mr. President.
Is there no objection? He is so elected. And maybe, just for the record, no
Oo,
senator
walang
was
yan.
allowed to be arrested ever inside the Senate premises. Enrile, Estrada, Revilla, I think, Trillanes, apat na yon. So kung si Leila, de lima na yon. Never been allowed arrested. And there's always been coordination with the Office of the Senate President. So Senator Marcoleta brought up two issues, the NBI and the CIDG. So we're referring it to both the Committee on Rules and the Committee on Public Order. Mag-usap na lang yung dalawang chairman so that we can get to the bottom of this.
At yun na nga mga kababayan, ano na ang masasabi mo? Kung mayroon kayong hinaingat komento patungkol sa balitang ito, please comment down below. Pag-uusapan natin yan sa comment section.
Ang sa akin lang doon mga insan, sobrang saludo dahil mapoprotektahan ng Senado hanggat nandiyan siya, si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Ako kay Senator Bato, sakto yan. Diyan ka na lang talaga muna habang inaayos pa ang lahat. At syempre, diyan ka na lang din muna, lalo na didinggin ng hearing ng impeachment laban kay BP Sara Duterte. Malaking bagay na nandiyan ka sa Senado para maprotektahan mo rin si BP Sara Duterte. 'Di ba? Para syempre yung boto mo rin magmamatres yan, mga insan eh. At para makita mo rin kung paano durugin ni BP Sara Duterte ang mga naninira sa kanya. At saludo kay Senator Alan Cayetano dahil maganda yung nagiging panukala niya at nakikita ko mas gaganda pa ang takbo ng Senado at tingin ko matutuloy na dahil iba na yung Senate President, matutuloy na yung investigation sa flood control pagkatapos ng impeachment. Sana palitan na rin si Ping Lacson sa Blue Ribbon Committee para naman lahat ng mga sangkot, lahat ng mga lumabas na witness laban sa may nalalaman sa flood control ay makapagsalita dyan sa Senado at may patawag, hindi kagaya ng ginawa nila na pinagtatakpan lang. So abangan natin yung iba pang mga balita, mga insan sa nangyari o mangyayari pa dyan sa Senado at manatiling siyempre nakatutok dito sa ating channel at mag-subscribe po kayo para sa mga iba pang mga gagawa natin ng reaction. Maraming salamat mga insan at ingat po kayo palagi. Paalam po.